I'm about to share with you a life hack to go from somebody who sucks at something to somebody who's good at it, or maybe even great at it. You ready? Let's go. It's called engineering your environment. Now, what do I mean by engineering your environment? Like, Chris, what are you talking about? Okay, relax. Form a community. Set up a system. I've said this repeatedly, that we're the average of the 5 people that we hang around with the most. So whatever it is that your goal is, maybe it's to have a 6-pack, maybe it's to lose weight. Find 2 or 3 people that do this consistently. They go to the gym, they're buff. I mean, you look at their bodies, they look amazing. Okay? Now, because innately, as human beings, we always want to fit in. And like I said before, you're the average of the 5 people that you hang around with the most. When you hang around these people, they're going to talk about working out. They're going to talk about different formulas to which they're using to work out. They're going to talk about pre-workouts. They're going to talk about how their workouts were. I mean, just because you're around them, you will feel the need naturally to want to conform. So now you can easily solve that problem today if you would just start hanging around people like that. Before I started reading books, I didn't really like it that much. But then I started hanging around people who did. It was natural for them. These guys are always talking about books. They're handing books around like it's candy. Now, because I'm hanging around these people, I feel the need to want to read. The same thing with people who do business, who are entrepreneurs. They're always talking about the next best thing. They're always talking about creating value everywhere. Now, I feel that same need and that sense to want to create value everywhere. It's happening naturally. I don't have to work for it. I work for it one time. And that one time is to surround myself with like-minded people and just leave the rest to happen. Now, let me know how this works for you.